Djdavidgiggs here. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today it's a little bit of a remembering day because I've not done a lot recently and I thought I would do a vlog today just to change my day up a little bit. So what you're about to see is a little clip taken from last year. I went through my memory thing and it was based on like my Facebook memories. They come out, you probably get it as well, but I went to a creative thing last year and I wasn't kidding, it was fantastic. I got to meet some other creators that do photograph and people that do YouTubing in the gaming side of thing, recording as well. And yeah, I met a couple of good people. And here's a little video from last year. You might have seen it from my one of my old vlogs from season 1, but I just wanted to relieve the memory just because it was such a good day, and it's been officially a year since I went to my first event as a YouTuber. So here we go. So I was looking through my memories and I saw this little thing come up. Officially today, it was officially a year that I went to my first ever creative community day at the in Barnstable. It was fantastic. So I decided I'll rewatch the video. So here's a little bit of a clip on what actually went on. Getting started with what app he uses and what apps recommend, and so that was that. And then we got down to the nitty gritty, what kind of lens you should use, what kind of stuff we should use, and then we talked about drones, what footage looks like inside a drone, and how high you should go. Pretty much that was it. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, press the bell notification, and guys, I will see you guys very, very, very soon. I hope you guys are safe and well and not finding it too hard this lockdown. I'm already bored, so I'm already trying to find things to do, like videos today, and watching DVDs and stuff like that. So hopefully you guys aren't bored as well, or too bored, and I will see you guys absolutely very, very, very soon. So take care. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.